The more he points his nose up in the air, the worse it gets.
He's bloody as. He's been blowing blood all over the damn
Oh,
thing.
man. That's not good for the carpet, Milo.
He went and drank some water. Well, he came up to me and was.
He hates it.
I know. It's so sad.
He just... You got allergies, Milo? Yeah, you poor guy. What is that, like 15 in a row?
Earlier, I mean, it was just constant for like 10 minutes.
You gonna do it again, buddy? I can tell you're gonna do it again. You know why? Because you point your nose in the air. Oh, it's so sad. It's so sad, Milo. Oh, don't sneeze when you're going down the stairs. It's dangerous. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Don't go down the stairs if you get... Nope. There you go. Now you can go. All right. Go to the kitchen and take some Benadryl. Go to the kitchen. Take some Benadryl. Don't look up at me. That's what makes you sneeze. When your nose is up in the air. Look down. Look down. Keep going. Keep going.